Most Etsy sellers fail because they create designs based on guesswork, but successful products usually start with a clear customer need. So instead of creating random designs, the goal is to create something people are already looking for, and then turn that same idea into both a digital product and a physical print-on-demand product. In this video, I'll show you how to create a high-demand product design without design skills, and how to use PrintKK to turn it into a physical product you can sell online. While browsing through Etsy for a design idea that could perform well, I came across a niche called bookmark designs. Now at first, bookmarks may look like a very simple product, but when you think about it properly, it actually makes a lot of sense. A bookmark is not just a random design, it solves a simple problem for people who read books or journals. Instead of folding pages or losing where they stopped reading, they can use a bookmark to keep their place. And this is why I like this product idea. It is simple, useful, and easy to turn into different versions. You can create bookmarks for different niches, which means this is not just one product. It is a product idea that can be expanded into many different niches. Another reason I like bookmark designs is that they can work as both a digital product and a physical product. For the digital side, you can sell printable bookmark designs that customers can download, print, and use by themselves. This works well for people who love instant downloads or DIY printable products. But on the physical side, you can also take the same design and place it on real products using print on demand. And the best part is that a print on demand platform can handle all of this with ease without you ever touching the product. And this is where PrintKK comes in. PrintKK gives you access to different white label products that you can customize with your own designs. So instead of only creating a digital bookmark file and stopping there, you can take the same design idea and turn it into physical products that customers can order online. That means one design idea can become more than one product. You can create the printable bookmark for digital customers, then use the same style or artwork to create matching physical products for people who prefer something ready-made. And this is the type of strategy I like because you are not just creating random designs, you are creating around a real customer interest, then using that one idea to build different product options. Now, in order to find out how profitable this design is, I use Alura, which is an Etsy analyzer tool. To begin, I search for bookmark designs. Then I click on the Alura icon on the side of the screen. Here I can see the performance of each product design and when it was posted. For example, I found this bookmark design called cross-stitch pattern bookmark design. This seller has made an impressive amount of revenue since publishing this product. We can also see that most sales came from last month, and review also affirm how engaged this product is. Or how about this other bookmark design product that has made impressive revenue as well? So with these steps, you can get an idea of how each product is performing before creating your own version. For this design, I will be using PrintKK AI because it can help produce a better outcome. After creating an account, I click Start Free AI Trial. Since this system works using image-to-image generation, I needed a reference image, so I went to Etsy, captured a screenshot of a trending floral clip art design, and uploaded it into the AI platform. Next, I selected the second AI model because it allows custom prompt input and similarity control. This gave me more flexibility to guide the result while still using the original image as a style reference. After that, I entered my prompt using this format. Vintage watercolor stack of old books with colorful wildflowers growing on top, beige aged paper background, rustic botanical illustration, tall vertical design, warm earthy tones, ink splatter details. Once I was done, I slightly lowered the reference similarity so the design would stay inspired by the original style without duplicating it. Then I set the aspect ratio to original since this is for a bookmark design. After generating the image, this was the result. As you can see, it reflects a similar visual style while still remaining clearly original. Tools like this make the design process more flexible and efficient. If you'd like to explore more clip art ideas like this, I've created a free prompt list that you can use. You'll find the link in the description below. And a special thank you to my Patreon supporters for supporting this tutorial. Now, to prepare the design for physical products, let's move over to PrintKK. Before anything else, you'll need to connect your online store. To do that, click on Store, select Etsy, and follow the prompt to grant access. Once approved, your store will be connected. After that, go to the product section and search for Bookmark. Once the product is selected, upload your design into PrintKK and adjust the placement so it fits properly within the print area. When everything looks good, you can either publish it directly to your store or save it and go to My Designs to fine-tune the product details inside PrintKK. If you'd like more guidance on writing product descriptions inside PrintKK, I have other tutorials on my channel that walk through the process step by step. I hope this video helped you see how AI tools can simplify the creative process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.